Hi, morning, and welcome to Hardy Classics on a sunny March morning. Well, sunny-ish, and it's dry. Um, I always bring you special cars, or what I like to think are special cars, and I always keep saying it. Pre-war cars and Edwardian cars are fantastic value for money at the minute. You can't get a better, genuine classic car as an investment. I think personally, as something along these lines, and just have a look at this car. What we've got today is a 1912 Rover. So it's 1912, so it's 112 years old, that car. And if that's not a classic car, I don't know what it is. You can keep your Ford Escort and your Opel Mantas, because that there is a proper classic, vintage, Edwardian, whatever you want to call it, car. Absolutely beautiful. That car comes with the most comprehensive history I've probably had on any of these cars. There's 2 files of history dating back to the original owner, who was a doctor down in one of the favourite places of England that I love, Hampshire. It's starting to rain. Absolute stunning car. 12 horsepower, 4-cylinder, petrol, 3-speed gearbox, cruising speed round about 40 miles an hour if you're lucky. But can you tell me a better way to spend your Sunday afternoon with your family? You can take that trunk off the back and put a picnic basket on. You can do weddings in it, runs in it, anything. It's a proper car, a proper car. We'll have a quick walk around of it, show you the start from the front. Front of the car, obviously the first thing you notice is the brass. It's beautifully polished. We believe this is a new radiator which has had manufactured at some time. The duck emblem is something I put on. I've been waiting for ages to put it on a car, and this is the car. Front of the car, you've got 2 lovely acetylene headlights that aren't plumbed up to a generator or anything, but there is a generator with the car. Again, bodywork wise, these fenders, front fenders or mudguards, wings, whatever you want to call them, everything's in fantastic original condition. That looks like a new tyre on that side. It's got the little bobbles on it. Tyre on this side's okay, wheel and tyre. Spare wheel's okay. That tyre's down a smidgen, but there's another spare comes with it. Do the tyres first, and that tyre's good again. So wheels and tyres, pretty good. They are wooden wheels, so again, make your mind up. We all know what happens to wooden wheels. Over time, they do shrink. These don't appear to have. Like I say, there's massive provenance with this car and bills. It's had all sorts of jobs done to it over its lifetime. It's had a new exhaust manufactured, and it's also been fitted with an electric starter, so you don't have to bother with that handle at the front, which I think is a proper pain and puts a lot of people off buying these cars when you've only got the handle start. Bodywork wise, in general, the paintwork on it, the finish is worn, not perfect, but right for a 1912 car. If it had looked too shiny, you know, that 2-pack finish, I think it spoils them. It's just right. It looks what it should look like. Even down to the wear on the rubber of the running boards here, it's easy to replace that, but it just looks too blingy. Right, under the bonnet we've got I think it's a 2.3 or something, 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. I'll take you around this side. We'll have a look at this side. It's beautiful under there. It's on the magneto ignition system, still on the mag. You can see it's had a conversion. It's got the ring gear on there for the starter again, which I don't think is a bad thing. brasswork generally is really good. We haven't finished polishing it, but we have made a start. Got the Rover emblem there, pair of nice lamps there, lovely horn, and also for modern traffic, the hood's in really good condition. I think it was remanufactured a few years ago. Really good quality hood, and the frame as well is really good quality. Inside, that's just a starting procedure. Again, we haven't valeted the car, so there's bits of specs on the seats and on the carpets. Leather upholstery in really, really good condition. Door cards with the emblem still embossed on the side. Lovely fitting doors, lovely brass handles. You'll notice it doesn't have the driver's door like a lot of quality cars in them days. They didn't have the driver's door because the gear stick and the handbrake was all down this side. This was a particular feature on Rolls Royces right up into the 30s, I think. Like I say, this car, 112 years old. We'll move around the back. As you can see, little details like the springs, the back lamp, all really good original condition. Someone's fitted a couple of aftermarket modern little lights there, just if you're out in, I don't even know whether they work, in traffic. These hooks here, these are for your hood frame when your hood frame folds back, and there's a beautiful cover in the same material as this that it folds into. I'm not going to keep harping on about pre-war cars being value for money, but when you look at this and you look at, say, I don't know, for similar money, a Ford Escort Harrier or an RS 2000, it's just no competition. This is a proper classic car in every respect. And yes, in today's traffic, they are a little bit difficult to drive, but surely that's the fun of it. Driving something like that, it's all about the whole idea of having a classic car, in my opinion, is all about driving it, showing it, and just preserving it. And that's a real preserved classic car. Unbelievable. I don't know how many are left on the planet. If anybody out there is an aficionado on early Rovers, I know we sent one to America last year. If anyone's an aficionado on them, please let me know how many are left on the road. I can't think there being a lot left. But there you have it, the 1912 Rover. Isn't she lovely? Right then, let's fire her up. So if you like this video or any of the other videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. It really does help. Thanks, bye.